Hi there, this is Ed from Barnabas Robotics, and today I want to make a quick video to show you how to make any craft into a robot. So if you look at the main screen here, you're going to see this craft turkey. So we just purchased this craft. Your craft could be any craft. It might be just something that you make on your totally on your own. This one has stencils cut out and stickers and all that. So whatever you want to do. The point here is whatever craft you have, you can make it into a robot. And for the spirit of Thanksgiving, because that's when I'm making this video, we're using turkey here. All right, so I have my turkey craft. Again, yours might be totally different, but I want to show you how easy it is to start making it move. Put to the side here. The first thing we need is this. We have on our website this simple robot kit, and let's see what's inside here, okay? All right, here's some instructions and links to videos and stuff. The thing that I want to bring your attention to, we have these components here, all right? We have a servo tester. We have this battery holder here. And we have two motors. And then we have batteries. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to put this stuff together. The first thing we want to do is put the batteries in. That should be easy. Just open it up. Okay, very good. Batteries going in. Flat side on the spring. 4 batteries, all right? Cool. Now we have curriculum to kind of go over the math of how one of these is 1.5 volts, together get 6 volts and those kind of things. But today, I'm just going to show you how to make the robot. And all that's available on our website. The next thing that we're going to need is this thing. This is called a servo tester. Okay. We're going to go ahead and open it up here. Okay, and then we just look. It says out and then in. We're gonna stick it into in here. All right, and let's make sure we put it the right way. There. And the light turns on. Cool. Let's move this out of the way here. Next, we have our motor. Motor, and then we have this bag of propellers here. Let's go ahead and take one of the propellers out. And we stick it on like that. Okay. And then you take this and you plug it in like so. All right, once you've done that, you see it moves. Okay, so you have motion, and there's this cool thing you can do. If you press this button right here, push it again, it moves by itself. All right, so once we've done that, what we can do is take our robot here, right? And let's think about what we want to do here. So maybe I want to put it right here. I'm going to move the turkey head like this. So I'm going to take it off. Oh. Okay. Put my eyeball back. Okay, I have my turkey head. And what I can do is take this and just stick it right on top like that. Right? And then I have to stick this here, but then I need some sticky foams. So if I look in the box, I'm going to have some of these sticky foams, all right? So let's take that out. So I'm going to take one of these and put one down here, like this. Do that, take off the leather sticky, and then I just put it right here, and then check it out. All right, let's try this out here. It's moving. Now, maybe I like it kind of like this, so I can. That's better. And then I can also do this mode. Press that. Press again. And there we go. We have a robot turkey. Now what if I wanted to go the next level here and put in 2 servo motors? Let's try that. Okay. I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this off. Take this off for now. Because I'm gonna need this again later. Super sticky, but I may be able to use it again. Okay, let's put this back. Let's do version number 2. So I'm gonna make these 2 wings here move. So I'm gonna take this, put it right here. Okay, then I'm gonna take my sticky foam, put it here, and put it there. Okay, and then I have another motor. Let's get this motor here. And we're gonna stick this on, and then what I can do is take this and stick it onto here, and then put this one over here like that. So let's go ahead and do that. Take another sticky foam. I'm going to stick the bottom of the motor to here. Peel that off. Okay, and then put this like so. Let's put this back. Okay, now where does this go? Well, if you look at the connections here, you have actually 3 rows of these pins here. So 1, 2, 3. You just put it into another row like that. Okay. And now our turkey has 2 wings. There we go. What do we think? Not bad, right? So again, you can just take any craft and you can make it into a robot. So that's it. Just wanted to show that to you. Again, the simple robot kit. Have it on our website there. We have, it's just the battery holder, the servo tester, which is the thing that controls the motors, and these 2 motors as well. All right. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care, and I will see you next time.